Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your gender from male to female on your account on Pinterest. Easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click here and now click settings. Now click personal information and here you will find gender. Click on it and here just choose female and that's it. It will be saved. And that's how to change your gender from male to female on your account on Pinterest. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.